In this video, I'll show you how to check Windows color formats. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. In your Windows, in your PC, in your laptop, there are only two color formats, right? They have the dark mode and they have the light mode. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your own Windows color format, right? Whether you're on the dark or you're on the light. So click on this, right? Once I've clicked on it, click on the settings. From these settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on these personalizations, right? Click on the colors. From the colors, you're going to see your own window color formats. So our windows, we are currently in the light mode, right? So if I switch this to dark, you're going to see how things are going to appear, right? This is the dark mode. This is the light mode, right? So let me know below your own windows color formats. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching throughout. See you on the very next one.